Electric vehicles, EVs, have transformed the automotive world, and when it comes to sports cars, they're setting new benchmarks for speed, innovation, and efficiency. In 2025, electric sports cars are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, combining unmatched acceleration, cutting-edge technology, and environmentally friendly performance. In this video, we'll dive into the top high-performance electric sports cars of 2025, showcasing the most powerful and fastest EVs that are redefining speed and luxury. Performance: 1,000 plus horsepower with a tri-motor all-wheel drive system. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars ever built. Top speed: over 250 miles per hour. Range: 620 miles per charge. Technology: full self-driving, FSD, over-the-air software updates, and an advanced touchscreen infotainment system. The Tesla Roadster of 2025 is an all-electric supercar that combines insane performance with cutting-edge tech and sustainability, setting a new benchmark in speed. Performance: 1,914 horsepower with 4 independent motors. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 1.85 seconds, a truly mind-blowing performance. Top speed: 258 miles per hour. Range: 340 miles on a single charge. Technology: Rimac proprietary battery management system and torque vectoring for unrivaled handling. Sustainability: built with high-tech sustainable materials including carbon fiber and recycled plastics. The Rimac Nevera is a hypercar that delivers extreme performance while incorporating advanced sustainability, redefining what an electric car can achieve. Performance: 1,900 horsepower from 4 electric motors. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 1.79 seconds. Top speed: 217 miles per hour. Range: 280 miles per charge. Design: handcrafted Italian design with a focus on luxury and elegance, with a minimalist yet tech-laden interior. Technology: advanced driver assistance systems and a customizable driving mode. The Pininfarina Battista is an Italian masterpiece, blending extraordinary performance with the sophistication and craftsmanship expected from a luxury sports car brand. Performance: 200 plus horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 1.8 seconds. Top speed: 210 miles per hour. Range: 520 miles per charge. Technology: Lucid's glass cockpit 3D display, intuitive AI for personalized driving, and a state-of-the-art autonomous driving system. The Lucid Air Sapphire pushes the limits of electric performance, offering an incredibly fast ride without sacrificing luxury or efficiency, making it one of the best luxury EVs for speed. Performance: 616 horsepower with a dual-motor system. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds. Top speed: 161 miles per hour. Range: 246 miles per charge. Technology: Porsche's 4D chassis control for optimal handling and a high-tech infotainment system. Charging: ultra-fast charging capabilities going from 5% to 80% in just 22 minutes. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S delivers thrilling performance with precise handling and the premium feel you expect from Porsche, offering both speed and luxury in one electric package. Performance: 707 horsepower with a dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. Top speed: 193 miles per hour. Range: 350 miles on a full charge. Luxury: a cabin crafted with the finest leather, suede, and sustainable materials. Technology: 12-inch digital dashboard, Apple CarPlay, and voice-activated controls. Aston Martin's electric DBX 707 SUV brings electrified luxury to the high-performance SUV segment, delivering speed, style, and an unmatched driving experience. Performance: estimated 1,000 plus horsepower with quad-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: expected to hit 0-60 miles per hour in around 2.5 seconds. Top speed: 211 miles per hour. Range: 300 miles per charge. Technology: Ferrari's proprietary electric powertrain and active aerodynamics for incredible handling. The Ferrari Purosangue EV is Ferrari's first electric SUV, but it brings all the speed, handling, and beauty you expect from the legendary sports car manufacturer. Performance: 1,972 horsepower with 4 electric motors. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds. Top speed: 200 miles per hour. Range: 215 miles per charge. Design: a stunning, futuristic exterior with a minimalist interior that focuses on driving performance. Technology: the Lotus. Evija is engineered for precision with an advanced battery system and the latest in performance tech. The Lotus Evija is a British hypercar that delivers track-level performance in an electric package, making it a perfect example of what electric cars are capable of in the world of high-speed vehicles. Zero emissions, extreme performance. Electric sports cars are breaking records in acceleration and top speed, all while emitting zero emissions, making them more sustainable than their gas-powered counterparts. Advanced battery tech. EVs are becoming more efficient, with longer ranges, faster charging, and better energy storage systems that make high-performance driving possible for longer periods. Customization. Many high-performance electric cars offer customizable options for driving modes, interior finishes, and even driving assistance systems, allowing owners to tailor their cars to their preferences. Sustainable materials. Many of the latest models incorporate recycled materials and vegan options for interiors, embracing sustainability in every part of the vehicle. Autonomous driving. While the primary focus is performance, many electric sports cars are introducing autonomous driving features, including semi-autonomous highway driving and advanced safety systems. Title: electric vehicles, EVs, have already taken over the passenger car segment, but in 2025, the eye's becoming a. Combining the rugged capability of traditional pickup trucks with these EVs offer the perfect blend of. In this video, we'll explore highlighting the top contenders that are revolutionizing the world of work and play. 0-60 miles per hour in, up to. The Ford F-150 Lightning combines the power and durability of the iconic F-150 with cutting-edge electric technology, making it one of the best all-around electric pickup trucks for 2025. Up to width. The future of electric sports cars is here, combining high performance, eco-friendly innovation, and cutting-edge technology to offer a driving experience like no other.